Hi, I'm Link, and welcome to Link Life Money. It's very interesting timing that I received this picture in the mail today. Both the bull and the bear market are represented. It was definitely a bear day today. The market just tanked. Today, the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 1,276 points or 3.94%. The Nasdaq 100 lost 706 points or down 5.54%, and the S&P 500 was down 177 points or 4.32%. That's a huge amount of money lost in only one single day. The S&P 500 is made up of 500 large US companies. According to Forbes, the bear market in the S&P 500 was confirmed on June 13th, 2022, but the market began its slide on January 3rd, 2022. They also say that the average bear market is only 289 days, but this is the average. It could be shorter, it could be longer. Each time is different. This morning, the US CPI index came out. It was higher than a lot of the analysts had predicted, so this means that it's more likely for interest rates to continue to rise so that inflation is driven back down. You can see that inflation rose 8.3% in August. This is still extremely high, especially considering that gasoline and oil prices have fallen quite a bit since their highs. This is also really high considering that the interest rates have already been climbing a lot this year. Last Wednesday, the Bank of Canada again raised interest rates by 75 basis points. Many analysts think that the US Federal Reserve will raise interest rates again by 75 basis points. Some analysts even think that that rate increase could be by 1 full basis point next week. They really want to get inflation under control. Many companies have a lot of debt, so with rising interest rates comes rising expenses to pay off that debt. Many analysts think that third quarter earnings could be lower than expected, so that could be one of the reasons why the market fell so hard today. There are always going to be bull markets and bear markets. In my opinion, I think the US market will likely stay strong in the long run, and that investing in an index that mirrors the Dow Jones or the S&P 500 is likely a relatively safe investment over a long period of time. So what's my definition of a long period of time? That would be at least 15 years. Paying down your personal debt is very, very important. It's especially important when you're in a rising rate environment like we're in now. This shows TD special mortgage rates on September 7th when the Bank of Canada raised 75 basis points. You can see a 5-year variable rate closed was at 4.35%, and the next day they increased their rates to reflect the Bank of Canada's increase. And now, currently, the 5-year variable closed is at 5.1%. That's a huge difference in a very short period of time. This is Bear Bear and Barry. Barry was in my last video titled Queen Elizabeth Money. It's up on the screen right now. I now have 54 subscribers. It's such a great feeling to see the number of subscribers continuously go up. I sincerely thank you for subscribing. Save money, make good choices, and please be kind.